What's going on, everybody? Here's my '07 Civic Si cams and the C30 94 supercharger. Today we are changing clamps because if you're one like me who had a boost issue uh, and you found out it was a boot that was off and caused by a clamp, well, here's the fix. So what I did is I bought the kraftwerks upgrade um, clamp kit. You can find it on the website. I'll have it linked down below. However, there is 3 clamps that you need to order off Amazon. You need 51 to 59 millimeter length for the supercharger, for the top of the supercharger and the bottom. And then as you come down, you will need, I believe this is a 61 to like a 67 millimeter clamp, because the one I got off Amazon, which is the 51 to 59, for some reason it doesn't fit at this corner because the corner is rather jank, I guess. And then the rest you'll use the upgraded kraftwerks kit, which goes from 2.5 all the way up to 3-inch. And if you have a J37 throttle body, you'll have to get a clamp for that if you want to do that, of course. But anyways, just want to do a quick video for you guys, for those that are struggling to keep boost proper. But other than that, have a great day.